I love Vietnam so much. I love it, I love it, I love it. Just the best of the best, isn't it? Down by the old dockyards here, because I've got the seat. Xin chào.
Xin chào.
I've got the seat that needs replacing, well, the hinge for the seat on the bike. So I pulled up to these guys, they've said 200 dong. I've handled a little bit, I said, well, I just said 150, he said, yeah, so that'll do. It's not about ripping, it's not about getting ripped off, it's like, probably would have cost the local 50 dong, do you know what I mean, but 150 is alright. So what he's doing is, he's got his angle grinder out, look, he's going to set the old one off, and then he'll put the new bracket on, which I got from Shopee for 70 dong. So the old job will be a £6 job. What will then happen though is we'll have the seat back on the bike, do you know what I mean? So then we'll have a seat again, which is a bonus, isn't it? Down here, I mean, he's just Mr. Scrap Metal, isn't he? Down here we've got just loads of industry going on. And I tell you what, I've done a little ride through this bit. I've never been here yet, and it is just completely different to the rest of Quy Nhon. It's where it's like you see quite a bit of poverty down this bit, to be honest, over there. But it is what it is, isn't it? So I'm going to try and stop for a coffee or something when I get out of here. Just put a little bit into the community. Everything being built back up that was destroyed in the storm or that was just wants to be built. I mean, it's a mad old place, Vietnam. Keep forgetting how bad the storms hit this place. It was only 10 weeks ago. And I was talking to a couple of fellas yesterday in the restaurant. They told me how bad it was. Like, it was proper full on. Let's hope that the world stops throwing these natural disasters out all over the gaff, innit, because killing people. And they reckon there was thousands and thousands of people killed up in the hills, etc. But the stats aren't being released properly. It's just the way it goes, I suppose. Look at the size of this anchor, look, off a ship. Boom. It's a big one, isn't it? Done a few miles on that tyre, ain't he? Look at the tread on that, ain't got nothing left. And that. What they do with that, how can you recycle it? I don't know what you'd do with them. Will they re-rubber them or something? Will they take old to join up with new? I've no idea, I'm not a tyre man, do you know what I mean? Anybody that knows, bang it in the comments. Look at these though. These are like homemade anchors. Yeah, the metal man, isn't he? This is the metal man. Look at this big wheelie thing here, look, pulley wheel for a fishing net. Huge. See, working on there, look. Size of that hydraulic. This fella's lyric was fantastic. I said, can you fix this? He said, money can fix anything. True, isn't it? Good round here, isn't it? You just pull up and you get whatever you need done. It just gets done. It's a balmy place. There's no queuing and booking in, and you just literally get involved. This is the real world, mate. This is the world I want to live in anyway. I don't want to live in the Western world. It's shit.
Chùa hả? Cái phiếu trước là không đua đâu. Ở dưới phía sau cái chùa, cái sau làm cái hết cái lập gì hết.
This G, look at dragon's eye, look. Ui, beautiful.
Nó này, mà làm ta cái nôm ấy. Những người mới có dùng nôm để làm.
Dragon's eye. Very nice, Harry. Xin chào.
Chào.
Chào buổi trưa. Getting somewhere, isn't he? He's getting there. He's winning. Xin chào. Ciao boys. Hello. Hello, sir. Very good mood, is he? Not in a good mood, is he, that one? Hey? Fucking smile, you moody shit. Vietnam car there, look. Check out this woman's load. Bloody hell. I'm guessing that's all marine diesel or petrol. Seems as we're down by the boatyard, might be marine diesel. But the load on it, look. Struggling, the bike's struggling to pull it. They'll put anything on a bike here, I tell you, it's mental. Absolutely balmy. Xin chào. Ciao boys, son. Chào buổi sáng or chào buổi trưa? Chào buổi trưa. Ôi trời ơi. Hello. Xin chào. Chúc mừng năm mới.
Chúc mừng năm mới. Cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn rất nhiều.
Về ra kinh nghiệm gì cũng đây.
So when we give him 150, that'll be £4 for like half an hour's labour. Do you know what I mean? It's crazy, isn't it? Costs you £100 in the UK.
Hả? Lấy 4 tạ sữa thôi nha.
Oh, I don't mind giving him a little drink, it's okay. Come on. I think they're laughing at how much I've agreed to pay, but come on man, I'm in Vietnam. It's £4 for the guy. Give him £4, let him have a drink. Doing a fine job anyway, look, you know what I mean? It's been a grand old job. They are. Look how good they are to make the coconut. It's so clever. So we're having a coconut and an egg banh mi for breakfast. That'll do us, won't it? Instead of just constantly going in the social, I've got to get with the natives a little bit, and do you know what I mean? It's Vietnam after all, isn't it? Vietnam. Come on, Rutnu. Thank you. Oh, Vietnam, guys. Great place to be. Now, when you're on your bike, watch your tail bit down here, because it gets really hot. And what I did last year in Vietnam, I think, or Thailand, burnt up my leg, you see. Which one day I'm going to have a little tattoo around it, I think, circle saying motorbike, Vietnam motorbike scars. The joy of Vietnam. Got this lady making me a little banh mi, look, giving it a press. Oh, lovely. Oh, hello, darling. Look at this, gorgeous banh mi for me. What joy. She made the egg so good, it all broke in there. Lovely. Very nice, Harry. Oh, I'm looking forward to this brekkie, I tell ya. Looking forward to it. So it's my first day for a long time of just doing Vietnam, right? So I started my day the Vietnam style way. I've got an egg banh mi, 15 dong. I've got a coconut, 15 dong. I've got a black iced coffee coming. I've had my bike fixed, 100 dong. He said 150, but then he couldn't quite get it done, so he said, I said 100. Okay. They're all laughing at me anyway, so it's the sort of job that they charge 20 dong to somebody else. But listen, it is what it is. You're in Vietnam, play the game. That coconut is as fresh as you like. Gorgeous. Ah, it's lovely, isn't it, Asia? Better than the bloody UK, I know that much. What's your name? What's your name?
My name.
Bao. Big Bao.
Bộ.
Bo.
Bộ.
Bo. Nice to meet you, Bo. So I offered this guy a coffee, but he's pulled out a bottle of wine. He said, I'm drinking wine. He don't want a coffee, he's having wine. 43. She won't give us the high five. She just bouncing about behind us. I asked Mum for a black coffee. I got a milk coffee. It's going bloody balmy round here. Xin chào. Chào buổi tối. Chào buổi trưa. Chào buổi trưa.
Đậu.
Đậu.
Buổi trưa.
Chào buổi trưa.
Dạ buổi trưa chứ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's going to get on his wine. He's getting on his happy water wine. He'll be pissed as a newt by midday, won't he? And it's 10 o'clock. Be off his rocker by about midday, screaming at his mates. Love it. Gotta love Vietnam. Almost. Look, like this. This one you don't need. This one no need. Colin. I love Vietnam so much. I love it, I love it, I love it. Just the best of the best, isn't it? What I really love about Asia is the constant madness. Like, look at this man over there plucking his chin on the corner. Look, he's got his little mirror, he's got his little tweezers. He's been there about 10 minutes, he's just plucking out his hairs on his chin. Well, why wouldn't ya? You know what I mean? It's probably someone's in the bathroom at home and he just thought, fuck it, I'll do it on the street corner. Dadray, 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 Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. Daddy.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Okay.
Daddy.
Daddy. What does that look like to you? Looks like daddy to me, doesn't it? Daddy. Who's the daddy? 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 Hey, shut up, are you? Yeah. Who's the daddy? I don't know who the daddy is. Who's the daddy?
Không hiểu gì hết.
Daddy?
Ai?
Daddy.
Hiểu.
Yo.
Daddy.
Daddy. Okay. Nice to meet you. No. Oh, me daddy. No, me no daddy. I'm not the daddy. Or am I the daddy? Who's the daddy? Who is the daddy? Are you the daddy? I'm not the daddy. I don't know who the daddy is. Hello, xin chào. Trời ơi. Oh, this is the best breakfast spot in Vietnam, mate. This is great. Trời ơi. What we got?
Father, mother.
Yeah.
Daddy.
And mummy. Mummy. She's going mad in there. She has. I think she's been on the happy water as well. Oh goodness me. Oh, all happening. It's all happening around here. Well, I've had me breakfast. I've had a nice English lesson with this young man.
Now come with me.
He wants me to go with him somewhere, but I ain't going anywhere because he's drunk. Life is good, you know. Life is very, very good. So, let's see what happens on the next chapter of the life we live. I'm having a proper Vietnam day because I'm now going to have a sugar cane. It's going to have a sugar cane drink from this lady because she's got loads on her side. This lady ain't got none. So, xin chào, chào buổi trưa. All the wasps around it. Sugar cane. So they put it in and they squeeze it through. And then they usually add like a bit of lime to it or whatever. This looks like she's got some different flavours, but we just have what comes. They usually put a bit of lime in there as well. And that's the wastage. That's what the wasps like. Very, very tasty these are. They're very cheap as well, like 20 or something. It depends. They'll charge a bit different, but. Xin chào. Chào buổi trưa. Chúc mừng năm mới. Chúc mừng năm mới. Xin chào. England. UK. YouTube. YouTuber. I don't feel like a YouTuber. I've only got 200 subscribers, but it's the camera, isn't it? You get the camera out and they think, look at this bad boy. Oi. Yum, yum, yum. Look at the size of the bloody thing. Come on, Rutnu. Yeah. Thank you. Hello, sir. Come on, Rutnu. Thank you. 10 dong. Mad, isn't it? Big fresh drink like that for 10 dong. It's about 30 pence, you know. Oh, I love Asia. I love Vietnam. It's the best of the best. And I love doing a proper Asia day as well. I was just tempted to pop into the pub, and do you know what? If I have a beer, I'm having it on the street with the locals today. I'm doing everything with the locals, do you know what I mean? I'm letting the team down a little bit, getting involved in the old Western world too much. It's the world I don't really like, do you know what I mean? So there's wasps and flies all over me because that sugar cane stand. So we'll put this away and we'll go and have a drink of this sugar cane. Beautiful! And you em. Xin chào. Chào buổi trưa. Girls in all their traditional gear, looking beautiful. Let me tell you, girl, I hope and pray each day I live. A little more love I'll have to give. A little more love that's devoted and true. 'Cause all I do is think about you. All I do is think about you. Wow! Look at this. All I do, oh wow, is think about you. Think about you, baby. Is think about you. Exciting it would be if you should discover you feel like me. If you should discover these feelings are true. I wanna tell you, girl. That's good, isn't it? Our love will forever be Chuck Mungna boy. Happy New Year. Is think about you. What amazing place. Yeah, again, just stumble on an absolute gem. Everywhere, every corner in Asia. Got a dove in the tree. Every corner in Asia just unfolds something amazing. Xin chào. Chào buổi trưa. Ladies taking a photographic opportunity. Oh, peaceful. Peaceful place. Wonder if you can climb up them pandolas or whatever they're called. Very impressive. I love Asia. Totally and utterly adore it. It's just great, isn't it? Right, move on.